Hi Shahad, thanks for your question. Okay, I'm going to go over number 3 first. So let me write out the question. Now I want to remind you the only thing you can do to answer is to put numbers in the front. Okay, these are called coefficients. So let's see what atoms I have on both sides of the equation. I have zinc, I have copper, and I have chlorine. Now let's count how many atoms of zinc I have on the left. So it's just one zinc on the left, one copper, and two chlorine. On the right side, one zinc, one copper, and two chlorine. You can see here, whoops, that's not good. You can see here the chlorine, it has two, and on this side, the chlorine, it has two. Okay? All right, very good. Now let's check and see what's the same, what's not the same. So the zincs, they are the same, so it's balanced. The copper, they are the same, so it's balanced. And the chlorine, they're the same, so it's balanced. So actually, this one is really easy because the atoms are the same on both sides. So it's just 1, 1, 1, 1. No need to do anything to balance the equation. It's already balanced. All right, second question, number 4. Let me just copy the question. Let me start off by listing the atoms that I have on both sides. So I have silver, Ag. I have nitrogen, oxygen, barium, and chlorine. Okay, now the N and the O, we can count this as 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen. That's okay if you like to do it like that, but there's an easier way. The easier way is, if you like, you don't have to count N and O as separate things. We can count it as a polyatomic ion NO3. So we can just say that we have 1 NO3. All right, now let's count the number of atoms on both sides. Now I made the NO3 in red, so you can see that NO3, we're going to count it as one unit. This is okay if there's a polyatomic ion, you can count it as one thing. So we have 1 Ag, we have 1 NO3. Remember, we're going to count this as one thing. We have 1 Ba and 2 Cl. On this side, we have 1 Ag. Now for the NO3, you can see here that we have 2 NO3. No need to count N and O separate. If there's a polyatomic ion, we can count it as 1. The Ba is 1 and the Cl is 1. Okay, so now you can see what's not balanced. So why don't we start with the NO3? Okay, on this side we have 2, on this side we have 1. So what number can I put here to make the NO3s also 2? I'm going to put here a 2. So this 2, it means I have AgNO3 2 times. AgNO3, AgNO3. It means I have it 2 times. So I will have 2 Ag and 2 NO3. So I'm going to change this to 2 and I'm going to change this to 2. Okay, now I've balanced the NO3s. Now I have on this side 2 Ags and on this side only 1. So what number can I put here to make the Ag2? I'm going to put here 2. Remember, this 2, it means I have AgCl, AgCl 2 times. So how many Ags I'm going to have? 2. And how many Cls I'm going to have? 2. The Ags are the same, NO3 is the same, Ba is the same, Cl is the same. So the answer for this one is 2, 1, 2, 1.